Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself, wherein we are going on with many words and we will be completing 500 words with this focus series. So, wherein you understand different words and how to frame sentences and speak English confidently. So, today's set of words are sing, six, simple, several. So, let's begin with the first word sing. Sing together, sing in, sing out, sing well, sing a song. When Mukesh is happy, he sings his heart out. If you're happy, sing a song. Many people like to sing in the bathroom. My sister sings very well. Sing the song once more, please. It's so melodious. Birds were singing up in the tree. Nidhi loves to dance and sing. She likes to sing popular songs. The next word is six, S-I-X, six. 6 feet tall, six pack, 6 o'clock, group of six. 6 rooms. How tall are you, Josh? 6 feet, ma'am. Oh, you're too proud of your height. These 6 are the giants of our school. They are almost 6 feet tall. What time is it? 6 o'clock. How old is Nia? She is 6. Is Raj home? No, not yet. What time will he return? He usually returns home by 6. Wait till 6. It's okay. I'll be back at 6. The next word is simple. Very simple. Simple life, simple truth. Quite simple. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Simple life is a happy life. I want to live a simple life without stress or worry. Live a simple life doing what you love. The next word is several. Several means usually it is more than 3, around 5 or 6 people. So several people, several times, several days, several months, several hours. Several of the students stayed after school to finish the project. The power was out for several hours. We saw several dolphins in the middle of the sea. Jack and Jill lived in Spain for several years. Moni speaks several languages. Have you read Ikigai? Yes, I have read that book several times. So usually when it is several days, we say 5 or 6 days. Some days, 7 or 8 days. A few days, it's 2 or 3 days. So with this, we have completed the next set of 20 words. So let's revise the 20 words. Question, ready, read, rock, remember, reach, road, rule, soon, song, state, short, ship, south, size, step, sing, 6, simple, several. So as I move on with my words, I just want to tell you, keep on persistently practicing with these words, and I'm sure you'll reach your goal very soon. So that's all in this video. Meet you again in my next video with another set of 20 words. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.